Alright guys, so today guys, we are going to do something different, isn't it? You don't know me like my one pot style. So today we are going to do one pot. With peas, pig's tail, and little vegetable I find in my fridge. Piece of onion, carrot, pumpkin, pepper and thyme. You understand me? So make sure you wash your peas first guys, you see me? Yeah? I have to drop it on the fire. You see me? Alright guys, if I put on the peas in there with some garlic, now I left that make that go and cook. Wash my pig's tail properly and cut them nice size when I want, you understand? Alright guys, so here I'm gonna do now. Before I sink my peas, I'm gonna add the pig's tail in, isn't it? Yeah. Now I'm gonna sink my peas guys. You know that? Let that go and boil. You understand me? Yeah. Isn't it? Yes, no man. Alright guys, so see me have my vegetable them guys, you see me? Yeah? My peas and my pig's tail in there. Now add all of my vegetable them guys, you see it? Last thing I got add are rice. I mean I think I have no coconut powder and chocolate. So, for just freestyle, okay? Yeah. I let that cook down guys. So guys, I gotta add some butter to it, you see me? Yeah, add a piece of butter there. And I add like a season, all purpose Maggi season. It doesn't want Maggi, me alone me use it. Yeah? Yeah, this I don't know. But I want that to put on blend season in it, yeah? Yeah guys, you see it? Carrot, pumpkin, pig's tail, and red peas. All of that man cook. Rice wash and soon go in the pot guys. So guys, when I mix that up now and them thing there, you see me? I go so boom 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 bang. And I go add one hot pepper on the top of it. You understand? Yeah. See when it start boil up guys, you go so and turn on your flame, you see me? Make it steam. You get me? Yeah. Alright so guys, this is our finishing product, you see me? See it there? Nice. Share out someone I want to do a taste test guys. Alright guys, so see finishing product there guys, you see me? Yeah, that's the finishing product. Now I'm gonna taste test it guys. Flavor nice, the peas then cook. Guys, 9 out of 10. Have a try. Have a try, trust me. 9 out of 10.